Hey everybody, Isaac here, back with the Elias and Whip Company. I got a fun video for you guys today of the awesome day that was had with the California Jones 81 cosplay group put on by Morgan, Nathan, and Brian. It was an amazing day full of some amazing cosplayers, great friends, and just wonderful, wonderful people. I won't say any more than that, but enjoy this time lapse, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy, please give me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one.